we are proud to show off our plant, and we were very, very lucky to have His Excellency come today to the plant to show his support and to give his protection to this $100 million investment that we put.
So who are the owner?
So I'm the owner, I'm a co-owner. My father, Mr. Oswal, he is chairman. My Mr. Basundara Oswal, she is the executive director.
What are you feeling?
I'm the director. I'm the daughter of Mr. Oswal. Having the president come here today really shows that the president values integrity, truth, and justice, and he values his investors. So having him here today makes us feel like we are supported in our future endeavors to expand. Behind you, we have 30 acres extra of land that we do want to set an expansion for. Even though we are the largest in East Africa and Uganda, we are ready to expand. With this expansion and the support from the president, we feel truly blessed, right? So there's a lot of potential here, but it's untapped. And I believe that being the biggest in East Africa, currently, we can make it even bigger. We can make not just this plant the biggest in Uganda, but the biggest in the whole of Africa, right? The powerhouse of the continent of Africa. If you see over there, we have 3 big silos, right? So those are where we store our raw material, and we have a huge capacity of storage.
How many people are you employing?
So employing, we have 45 expats, and we have 500 local Ugandan employees. So we really do believe that in Uganda, with international knowledge and Ugandan talent, we can grow something that truly is innovationary. So we give every month in taxes about 500,000 USD. Right, so that's in URA, that's in NSSF. We are, because of our local employment rate, because it's so high, 500,000 USD every month is going back into the economy, right? So that's, and we're making bore wells. We're always looking out for the community around us. The Luero village is our community, right? So we want to grow with them. If you come to our DCS, you'll see many Ugandans, many expats. We work symbiotically, right? We have training programs. We take people who sometimes have just started working, and we make them come to a level that's really top-tier professionalism. They can read DCS's control loops. They can understand the technicalities of industries here, because we do train them from the very beginning. So this is where we store our final products. So this is where the ENA is stored, 96.2% purity. Again, grain-based. We're one of the only grain-based factories in all of Uganda. And if you see around the plant, you'll see these red pipings. Oh, these are our fire hydrant pipings. These pipings are made to make sure that in case there's any hazard, because ethanol and ENA is very flammable, right? That these pipings will come into action and there'll be no risk of fire, right? A fire hazard. So we're excited to have future plans of expansion, and we're excited to see future prospects as well. And welcome to PRO.